It's Miguel Ribeiro here, and today I'd like to talk to you about how a CRM system can jumpstart and grow your business. In 2000, I implemented my first CRM system, and I fell in love with the technology. That year, our business grew 3x. Now, obviously, a CRM system can't not take all the credit. On its own, it doesn't magically grow your business. You need the three pillars in order to succeed. You need people, you need processes, and you need systems. Technology systems run the processes that help your people best serve your customers. When you don't have technology systems, you cannot measure progress. You don't know who's doing what, who's effective. You don't know if your marketing dollars are making you money or losing you money. Now, on average, 79% of all leads never convert to sales, and that's super frustrating. We're going to show you how to avoid this. If you want to learn how to increase sales by 29%, improve productivity by 34%, you need to be on our webinar. This is not a lengthy demo. It's not a sales pitch. I promise you that you will realize that a CRM system can actually help grow your business. I'm inviting you today to register for this free event. Don't miss out. Register now.